Research work on testing the computer overall performance. First, computer performance. Overall, the performance of computer is dependent on how well it works together as a whole. Computer performance is the amount of useful work accomplished by a computer system outside of specific context. Computer performance is still in terms of accuracy, efficiency, and speed of executing computer program instruction. This is the example of picture of computer performance. Number one, internal. In internal is a term used to describe a device that is installed in the computer. For example, a video card is an internal device and printer is an external device. When referring to a drive, an internal drive is any drive inside the computer. This is the example of picture internal. Number two, external. In general, external refers to anything outside of a location, object, or device. External describe a hardware device that installed outside of the computer. For example, a printer is an external device because it connects to the back of the computer and outside the case. However, a video card is an internal device since it is found inside the computer case. This is the example of external. Speed. In general, speed is the overall time something takes to complete. For example, if a computer is fast, it opens program in less than a few seconds depending on the size of the program. Often many fast computer can open similar program in less than a second. However, if a computer is slow, it can take several seconds or maybe even a minute or more to open a big program. Accuracy. Accuracy is terms used to describe anything that is near its true value or recognized standard. For example, a computer may perform an accurate math calculation that is correct with the information given but is not the exactly value. The last, storage and connectivity. Data storage is the collective methods and technology that captured and retain digital information on electromagnetic, optical, or silicon-based storage media. Storage is frequently used to describe the device and data connected to the computer through input-output operation, including hard disk, flash device, tape system, and other media types. That's all. Thank you.